morning, everyone. Sandy Waggett here with MSW Interactive Designs, and today I'm here with another marketing tip. So the idea with your business marketing is to make sure that you are memorable and remarkable. The way to be memorable is to give something that your clients or customers are going to remember. So, social media is a great way to do that because you're staying in front of your customers and clients all the time. That helps make you memorable. If you're doing an e-newsletter, same concept. That helps make you memorable because you're in their inbox at least once a week, maybe twice a week. Text message marketing makes you memorable because you're in the palm of their hands once a week, maybe twice a week with something of value for them. But there's other ways to do this too that really kind of seal the deal. And that is thinking in terms of something that you can provide your customer or client after the transaction has occurred. So I've got a client who is a business consultant, and whenever this person brings on a new client, they sign the contract. The first thing that this client does is sends their new client a book on business, something that's going to support the goals that they have for the growth of their business. What is it in your business that you can do or provide to clients and customers that will make you memorable and remarkable? In other words, will make your clients remember you after the transaction, and remarkable from the standpoint that they tell others about you. They remark about you, they talk about you. So in addition to your standard marketing, which is staying top of mind, you want to be memorable and remarkable by standing out over your competition and providing something experiential to your clients and customers that make you memorable and remarkable. If you're doing that right now, I would love to know what it is. Put it in the comments below. If you've got a great idea for your business and you want to share it privately, send me a message on Facebook. I really want to learn from you the kind of things that you're doing. And if you're not doing anything just yet, put some thought into that. What can you do after the transaction? It doesn't have to cost you a fortune, that will make you stand out above your competition so that you become memorable and remarkable. And the remarkable part is super important because that is where your referrals come in. That's where people have word of mouth about your business, and your marketing investment grows exponentially because other people are talking about you and telling their trusted network that they should be using you too. That's my marketing tip for today. I hope you have a great day. Sandy Waggett with MSW Interactive Designs signing off. We put the web to work for you. Bye, everyone.